Greetings everyone, this is Jay Ganesh from A12 team. Our project is depth analysis of defects using stereo images. My teammates are Ramkumar and Sunil Krishnan. We are guided by G. Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, CSE Department. The objective of the project is to measure the depth of defects in structures and roads, to propose a depth measurement of potholes in roads which will be used to reconstruct the road in time, to calculate the severity of defect using the depth of the defects, because in some cases the severity might be very low which is negligible, to also find the defects in manufacturing parts to improve the quality. In this project, we have used stereo cameras to capture stereo images, which will be used to calculate depth. In stereo camera, a same scene is captured from two lenses, which is having same focal length. There must be an aggregated matches in the scene, since the two images have same focal length. In the slide, there are two images, left image and right image. In both these images, the triangle is placed at exact pixel position. This is only possible by stereo camera. So from this, disparity is calculated. This is the flow diagram of our project. First, we capture the stereo images from the left and right camera, and then we calculate disparity, and then we calculate depth from the disparity. This module is capturing the stereo images. The stereo camera used to capture the stereo images in this project is the one from the brand name Creative. The SDK used to capture stereo camera is Intel RealSense Camera SR300. The stereo images are processed by the Intel RealSense Viewer. Previously, we have seen what is an aggregate match. One thing I forgot to mention is disparity. So, in the left image and right image, we can see a green colored circle. Look at the both image. The circle is placed at two different pixel point in both these images. So, the difference between the pixel point of the circle is disparity. This model is disparity estimation. The input to this model is the pair of 2D images from stereo camera. The whole concept of stereo matching is based on finding the correspondence between the two input images and also finding the disparity in the images, which is the relative difference in the location of points, as we have seen before. The output of the module is the pairing that has the lowest sum of absolute differences, which is selected as corresponding point pair. This module is calculating depth from disparity. We get the selected aggregated points as input from the previous module. We can conclude that the objects in the two images are distinguished. One thing we have to keep in mind is that disparity is not same as depth. We have to calculate depth from disparity. For that, we need focal length, which will be given by the camera's manufacturer. The method used to calculate depth is called triangulation. In this image, x is the position of an object in left image and x dash is the position of the same object in right image. We can calculate depth by finding the differences between these two pixel points along with the help of focal length. Since depth is directly proportional to product of the differences between these two focal points and focal length. This is a sample pothole image taken as input. As we can see in the third image, the disparity is identified as white dots, which means there is some pothole. The fourth image is just the same as third image, but in black and white for better visual representation. These are the stereo images from Intel RealSense UI. We have taken a normal cardboard box as sample input. We have calculated the depth of the cardboard box by pointing the stereo camera towards it. We get the depth value as 547.84 mm, which is equal to 54.784 cm. This is the Creative SR300 stereo camera that we have used in this project. Social impacts are roads with potholes will be defected efficiently so that government can repair them as fast as they can. Accidents can be prevented from this. Structural defects identification helpful in reconstructing the structures, and industries can eliminate the defected products if the depth is more than a threshold level. In future, we need to calculate the area of defect or pothole. Since we already have the depth value, we can calculate the volume easily by the formula volume is the product of area and depth. And then another future work is that we can use Google Maps to locate the pothole for passengers if the pothole is found to be very severe. Thank you.